Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of the Samsung RAF18DU4C0 Bespoke 4-door French door refrigerator, specifically in its eye-catching sunrise yellow glass finish. Let's start with its configuration. The French door design offers easy access to your groceries, with ample storage space to keep your items organized. What sets this fridge apart is its 4-door setup, providing even more convenience and flexibility in storing different types of food items. One standout feature is the built-in water dispenser, a handy addition for quick hydration without needing to open the doors. Installation-wise, it's freestanding, giving you the flexibility to place it wherever suits your kitchen layout best. The steel finish not only adds durability but also a sleek aesthetic to your kitchen space. But let's talk about the real showstopper, the sunrise yellow glass panel. It's not just a fridge, it's a statement piece. This bold color choice adds a pop of personality to any kitchen, instantly elevating the space and making it feel more lively and inviting. Whether you're going for a retro vibe or a modern aesthetic, this fridge in sunrise yellow glass is sure to be a conversation starter. In terms of performance, this fridge delivers on all fronts. It keeps your food fresh with precise temperature control and efficient cooling technology. The spacious interior allows for easy organization, with adjustable shelves and storage bins to accommodate items of all shapes and sizes. Plus, with energy-saving features, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing you're not only saving on electricity bills but also reducing your carbon footprint. Overall, the Samsung RAF18DU4C0 Bespoke 4-door French door refrigerator panel in sunrise yellow glass is more than just a fridge, it's a design statement, a functional appliance, and a conversation starter all in one. If you're looking to add a splash of color and style to your kitchen while enjoying top-notch performance, this fridge is definitely worth considering. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.